Yes, in the realm of art, creativity has always been intertwined with human intuition. But what if we could enhance our artistic potential by harnessing the power of artificial intelligence? Enter the future of AI in art, where technology blends seamlessly with creativity to unlock new possibilities. AI, or artificial intelligence, has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data and learn from it. This allows it to recognize patterns, understand emotions, and even generate original content. With AI as our collaborator, artists can push the boundaries of imagination. Imagine a world where a painting comes to life as AI adds its touch of brilliance. An artist's vision combined with the limitless potential of AI creates captivating pieces that mesmerize and provoke thought. But AI in art is not just about imitation. It's about exploring uncharted territories and pushing the limits of our own creativity. AI can assist artists by generating new ideas, suggesting unconventional techniques, and exploring unexplored concepts. Artificial intelligence also has the power to democratize art. Through AI-powered tools, anyone can create awe-inspiring artwork, regardless of their technical skills. The canvas becomes a playground for artists and AI to collaborate, enabling a greater number of individuals to express themselves creatively. The future of AI in art holds immense potential. It's a realm where technology and creativity intertwine, fostering new artistic expressions and breaking down barriers. The canvas of intuition awaits, ready to be enhanced by the incredible capabilities of AI. So embrace the future of AI in art, where imagination meets machine. Explore the uncharted territories of creativity, fueled by the power of artificial intelligence. Together, artists and AI can unlock new dimensions of artistic expression. Now that you've seen the power and potential of AI in art, it's your turn to explore this vast canvas of possibilities. Why not try incorporating AI tools and software into your own artistic process and see firsthand the innovative changes they can bring? Question: what is your view about creative AI artistry? Try unleashing your own creative artistry using AI software and tools today. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content like this. And don't forget to comment. Your support helps us continue to share knowledge about artificial intelligence. So stay tuned for more videos, and thank you for joining Artificially AI on this AI journey. Keep exploring, learning, and sharing the wonders of AI.